Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so first I want to say welcome to day number 1 of the Flylady's baby steps. This is going to be my journey and I'm going to be sharing it with you. And I'm excited for all of you that are choosing to follow me on this journey and you're going to jump in and do it with me. Alright, so I am going to keep the videos in this series nice and brief. For those of you that just kind of stumbled upon my videos because you were searching the 31 baby steps for the Flylady system, if you are interested in hearing some of my backstory, maybe you want to hear why I chose to use the Flylady system, maybe you want to hear about if I'm actually really messy, did I used to be messy, am I messy now, all of those things. I do have some very chatty videos that I will leave linked down below. Some of you might find those videos interesting, but like I said, for the purpose of this series, I'm going to keep things as brief as possible, and then throughout the series, because this is going to be a 31 video series, throughout this series, if I feel like I want to kind of chat with you guys and talk about things kind of more in depth, I think that I'm going to be doing some live videos kind of scattered throughout here. When I choose to do a live video, I will give you guys some advanced notice so that you can know to expect them so that you can get online and chat with me. Alright, so let's talk about the 31 baby steps. First of all, the Flylady cleaning system is just a system of routines and it is broken down into baby steps. If you are new to the Flylady system, this is really where you want to start. You can go to her website and if you click on where to get started, it's going to take you to the 31 baby steps. The problem is that if you go to her website, because there's so much information, it's all really good information, but it's very easy to devour all of the information all at once and to jump in and do too much at one time. That is what I did my first time around. That is why this time I am breaking it down and I am really going to do these little steps, the baby steps, one by one so that I can build this system for myself so that it sticks. Alright, so let's start with baby step number 1. Baby step number 1, as most of you already know, is to shine your sink. So every single day we are going to shine our sink. Now if you've got a kitchen that is full of dirty dishes, maybe your sink is full of dirty dishes, take the dishes out. I'm not saying go in your kitchen and wash all the dishes and clean all the counters and all the things to start. That's not where we're going to start. We're just going to take everything out, we're going to move it if need be, and we're just going to clean our sink. And then every night for the next 31 days, we are going to make sure that our sink is clean and shiny before we go to bed. Having a clean sink each morning to wake up to is wonderful. It really sets the tone for the day, and then you just continue to keep your dishes up, whether you wash them by hand or you put them in the dishwasher. That is up to you how you do things at your house, but it's going to be a lot easier to keep your sink clean and shiny. What this is doing is this is just kind of a foundation. It's showing you that by doing one little thing and keeping it up, it's going to be a lot easier to build another little thing to add to it. So that as you add one little step to another little step, you're going to eventually have a system that's really going to be successful and it's going to work and you're going to be able to keep your house clean. Today I'm not going to give you directions on how to clean your sink. A lot of you already know how to give your kitchen sink a really good clean, but if it's something that hasn't been done at your house in a really long time, go to the Flylady's website and I will leave a link below so that you can find this particular page very easily, but she gives instructions on how to clean your sink. And the instructions that she gives, they are for a sink that's been dirty for a long time. So it's kind of a long process the first time, but it's not something that you'll ever have to do again. So once you've done that, you're going to be able to keep your sink clean every day very easily. I also have a video where I shared how I keep my kitchen sink white. I will leave a link to it down below in case that's something that you want to check out. But right now, we're going to go clean my kitchen sink. So pause this video and then I want you to go clean your kitchen sink and then come back and let me know that you cleaned your kitchen sink. All right, let's go clean my kitchen sink. All right, so now that your kitchen sink is clean and my kitchen sink is clean, we are going to continue to keep our kitchen sink clean each and every night before we go to bed. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. While you're down there, also hit the little bell. It will just send you a notification every time I have a new video upload. That way you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and come back tomorrow for day 2.